We've actually got two projects here in one, both groundbreaking. One is the Teifi Nutrient Monitoring Project, and we've also got the Rural Connectivity Accelerator project in Ceredigion. Teifi Nutrient Monitoring Project is concerned with monitoring nutrients. We've basically got sensors in the main Afon Teifi and also in all our tributary areas. And the Rural Connectivity Accelerator project is to obviously enable greater connectivity, highly rural areas where it's not been easy to get Wi-Fi and it's not easy to get 5G in. And even though we've got bristling with terrestrial LoRaWAN gateways that do a tremendous job, there are still patchy areas.
So when we joined the project, Ceredigion had already built the system with their preferred vendor for sensors. They already had developed their cloud solution and it was up and running and deployed and working. But they were trying to deploy across 14 sites on the river. And with river monitoring, what you tend to find is rivers are in valleys. The banks of the rivers are surrounded by trees and vegetation. And so it's the hardest place to get a signal with a terrestrial network. And this was the problem they found. So they had lots of disconnected sensors that were failing in the field. So they came to Lacuna space. We use a LEO satellite constellation to bring that data back. So our system is based on open source sensors. So this is a typical sensor you might deploy in the field. This one integrates all kinds of different interesting sensors. We undertook a project to interface their sensors into our box, and this is bringing back data 4 times a day from the river sites into their own cloud. So we provide the radio access network and we deliver the data to their core network in the order of 4 measurements per day is what we're delivering back. And we continue to bring back data into their platforms for their analysis. The key benefit of our service is ubiquitous coverage. So of course, LEO satellites provide coverage anywhere under the sky, so you can deploy sensors in ultra remote locations and bring back the data from anywhere on Earth.